to me.
Distraught traveler assaulted airport officers during emotional meltdown, resisted arrest violently, and was jailed on battery and disorderly conduct charges.
Is that hers?
Huh?
Yes, I'm assuming so. Rachel, don't lose that.
I'm sorry, listen. I paid for this flight.
I know, your quarrels with Spirit. Alright, let's hang tight.
Listen, I had a family member die today. I just didn't get home.
Okay.
I'm just so frustrated. I've been dealing with delays since Friday.
What, listen, hey.
I don't know. I give him an attitude and he canceled my flight.
Take a breath. Take a breath. Take a breath.
I just need to get home. I just need to get home.
Okay, why are they, what
I don't know. I'm frustrated. I give him an attitude.
Okay.
I'm just, I don't know what else to say. I'm frustrated. I want to go home. Did somebody die?
Are they saying that
I
you're
have
not...
the paperwork. I have everything you guys need.
Okay, well listen.
My flight, I've been waiting for hours.
Take a breath and talk to me, okay? We're trying to get you back home.
He's not letting me.
We'll try to get you back home, but you have to just talk to me and take a breath, okay? So, they're not going to let you fly on this flight, is what they're telling you, correct?
Why though?
I don't know.
I'm supposed to be here right now.
I don't know. Are they telling you can't fly?
I'm frustrated.
Okay, well then let's go back to the land side and let's find you another flight.
I can't go right now. My mom is there. My whole family is there. I have a flight for this ticket.
What's your name? Rachel? Let's see.
I can't leave tomorrow.
Well, you're not leaving with Spirit today. I don't know what else to tell you.
Why are you guys being so insensitive?
We're not being insensitive. We're just telling you what they're saying.
I'm sorry. I didn't even say nothing.
It's not between us.
Okay, but can you talk to him?
About what?
I don't know.
You don't know either. I cannot do anything if Spirit's not going to let you fly.
Oh, jeez.
Officer, I get it.
Is there I get it.
I get it. I get it.
What, on the other side?
I paid for this flight.
I know, and they rebooked you for tomorrow.
Is he gone? Is he not flying?
What don't you understand about
Officer, I don't understand.
Okay, you are not flying today.
Why? I paid for this flight.
Denied your airline.
How? I paid for the flight.
If you keep this up, you're not going to be flying out of here tomorrow either.
Rachel, we're done.
All right, you're not going to make things better. Come on up over here in front of the...
You're not listening, though.
But what's going to happen is if you keep this up, you're not going to fly out of here. What time is your flight tomorrow? I can check for it. Let me see your boarding pass or your passport.
Like, how do you have this job and you don't have customer service to be able to handle somebody who's frustrated? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it.
Rachel,
I don't get it,
listen
though.
to me.
Stay down.
Okay, hold on. Get back. There you go. There we go. I get it.
We're detaining one right now.
There are a couple more units in the cage car.
You good?
That's a right next to her.
She hit me in the head.
Huh?
She hit me.
Good?
Yeah. Okay. You good? You calm down? You can't hit the police like that.
Roll on her side.
We're going to sit you up. Okay?
Roll over inside.
We're going to sit you up.
Just let me go. I got it.
Kick your legs out front.
I got it.
I need you to kick your leg out front.
Let me go.
Take your legs out. Take your legs out.
Okay, just let me go. Just let me go.
We can't let you go now.
Cross your feet for me. Hey, relax.
Relax.
Relax. It's gonna be worse. Okay?
Don't do that.
Relax. Relax.
What happened to her passport?
I have no clue.
Oh, she's got it. Never mind.
Just sit up. Just stay seated up. Hey, did you get her hitting him? Did you get her hitting him? I'm just wondering.
Hey, let it be.
No, I'm just wondering.
Let it be. Let it do their own thing.
Oh, that'd be cool. I'm just wondering. No, I was legitimately. No, for sure. We're all recording. I was just asking. Stop. Relax. You're not making it better. Relax.
Let me go.
Just sit up. You're good. As long as you're not flopping over. That's it.
You want to lay on your side? Is that better for you? Okay.
We don't want you to asphyxiate yourself.
That's fine.
I'm just being sure. Well, as long as she's crying. Rachel, are you injured? Okay, do you need a medical assistance at all? Okay, relax.
That's another count.
There's no need to kick me.
Just get me up.
Okay, now you want to.
No.
We're just gonna
That's it.
leave you
Stay
right
like
there. We
this.
don't want you kicking anybody else.
Stay like that. Stop.
Stop resisting.
Okay, so get off of me. You're not on me. You're not running on me. Get the off of me.
Listen to me. If you kick somebody again, you will be sprayed. I will spray you. You understand?
Get out the
No, ma'am. You already kicked and you already battered.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go?
kicked me.
Okay, so
I need you to
where am I
relax.
gonna go? You're scared? Move.
Relax.
Better be.
Okay,
Stay
so
down
get
here.
the off
Stay
of
down
me.
here.
That's all.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go? God
We're
damn
gonna
it.
sit there and you're gonna kick
Okay.
other people. So
So where am I gonna go? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the away from me.
Well, there's 3 earlier.
That's not how it works.
Bro, get the away from me. I swear to God, I'm gonna sue you guys. Get the away from me.
Continue to do what you want to do.
Move!
Stop.
So move!
You're being combative. This is what we're doing
I'm
until we get a
not.
car
I
here.
literally told you guys my situation, and all you motherfuckers are insensitive as because a motherfucker here doesn't know how to do customer service. The same that I do in Miami. Get the off of me.
Nope.
That explains it.
No, that explains it. Shut the up. You don't know shit. All you do is wear a suit, and you think you're good at it. While I'm here on the ground just trying to make it home because my family died, and it's such a big deal to you guys. This is a show to everybody, and you're hurting me. You think it's funny?
You're hurting yourself. I'm not putting
No,
any
so
pressure on
get
you.
the off of me. Where am I gonna go with
It's not
handcuffs?
working. You keep kicking people, so it's not happening.
Where am I gonna go?
Keep talking Spanish.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go?
You're not going to kick anybody. That's what you're not going to do
Okay,
anymore.
so
So
get
you lay
off
here
of
and you
me.
keep
Just
kicking
move
people.
away.
No,
You
it's
see
not
me
working.
kicking
You don't
wanna be
dictate
bad?
how it goes.
You want to be
You don't
bad
dictate
just
how
to
it
kick
goes.
so you can be like, she was kicking me.
No.
Out of here.
If you're hurting yourself, it's because
No,
you're
I'm
putting your
not
own pressure
hurting
on
myself.
it. My knee's on the
You're
ground.
hurting me by being on me.
I'm not on
You're
you.
literally pressuring my
No,
knee.
my knee is on the ground and my foot's to the other side of you.
Please get me up, I can't breathe. Please get me up, I can't breathe.
There you go. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Stop. We're not going anywhere at the moment.
Rachel, we're gonna get you up and walk and put you in this chair. Okay? You are not going to kick anybody. I will spray you if you do. If you to batter, stop. I'm gonna explain. We're gonna get you over here into this chair. Okay? I need you to stand up.
Okay, look, my stuff is right there.
Okay,
Just get
sit
my
up.
stuff. That's
Sit up.
all of
Over to your side.
Roll over. Come on.
Roll over to your side.
Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Let's go.
No, sit up. Roll to your right. You're gonna tuck that leg and you're gonna get up on 3,
All right,
okay?
ready? 1, 2, 3.
There you go. Alright, have a seat in the chair, please. Stop.
but let me go.
Stop.
Hold me like that for?
Stop.
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 Okay,
You're
so
not
let me
making
go.
it any better.
Just let me go.
We will get your stuff.
like that. Oh, hey, let me go. Just grab my
We don't want. We'll grab your stuff. Sit down. Put your down.
I'll take off
Your feet down.
Okay, let me go.
Okay.
You're hurting my wrist.
Stop.
Let me go.
Stop. You're acting like a child right now. Let's
I
go.
don't care. Just let me go. You guys.
We are. We're taking you.
Okay, so let me go. We have to grab me with the chair.
Just hold that arm so she doesn't roll
Oh
out.
my God, bro. You guys. What's our academy for to hold somebody, bro? Do you have my stuff? Oh my God. Bro. You guys suck. Did you grab my stuff?
We have your stuff.
You just let me go. You're hurting my wrist. Just let me go. I can't go nowhere. Just let me go. You're hurting my wrist.
Being ridiculous.
Let me go. I should have just been over my fucking family, bro. And you guys, you f***ing laughing?
Actually sneeze. Just stop. Just stop.
You actually sneezed just now, bro. Dog, let me accommodate myself, bro. Now I'm about to take y'all job too serious, dog. Let me go. You're already holding the chair.
Stop.
Oh, sit you down! And I say shit, dog. Y'all ain't shit. Y'all have no fucking
There's kids around,
sensitivity.
stop.
I don't give a about these kids. Are you serious? You're fucking hurting my wrist, bro. You think I care about this? Okay, so I'm asking you to let me go.
Stop.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go?
Stop. Stay seated.
Stay seated, please.
You guys have my phone.
Yes, we have all your property.
My phone, Joe.
Yes.
My iPhone.
Yes.
Let's go.
All right, sit down.
Sit up. You got her, Tran.
Hit that other door. There you go. What's going to happen? You're going to stand up and you're going to sit backwards into there. You're not going to kick
Pull this
anybody.
away.
You understand? Okay. Go ahead and stand up. Go ahead and stand up. Work. All right, cool. Turn around. Turn around.
We got it.
Hey, who's going to stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
To 197.
Come here. Lean against the car. Spread your feet. Come here. Turn around. You're going to sit one first.
Okay, just be gentle.
I am being.
Does it take 3 people for
Sit
it?
down.
Sit in the car.
Back up. Sit back. Back up. Back steps. Back steps. Back steps. Butt on the seat. Now scoot all the way in.
Battery. Multiple battery.
Rotate your legs in. Scoot all the way in.
The reported charges against Rachel were battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, disorderly conduct, trespassed from the airport.